Feeling like time slips through your fingers and you're constantly playing catch-up? Let's tame that chaos and reclaim your time with the Clockify browser extension. First, let's get the Clockify extension installed. Open your favorite browser and search for Clockify Chrome extension. You can also find the link in the description below. Once you find the Clockify time tracker, click the Add to Chrome button, or the equivalent for your browser. Confirm the installation when prompted. You should now see the Clockify icon in your browser toolbar. If you don't see it, click the puzzle piece icon to manage your extensions and pin the Clockify extension for easy access. Now, here's where the magic happens. Clockify integrates directly into many popular websites and applications like Asana, Trello, Jira, and many more. When you're working on a task within one of these integrated platforms, you'll see a Clockify timer button right there. Simply click it to start tracking time for that specific task. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to add a description of what you're working on, select a project, and add tags. This helps you categorize your time for detailed reporting later. When you're finished with the task, just click the timer button again to stop it. The track time will automatically be saved to your Clockify account. To view your track time, log into your Clockify web account. Here, you can see all your time entries, generate reports, and gain valuable insights into how you're spending your time. And that's it. With the Clockify browser extension, tracking time becomes effortless and integrated directly into your workflow, helping you boost productivity and stay organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.